what are some of the main things we can do with Hardhat? In its raw state here, these are some of the main tasks that we can run with Hardhat. Different tasks are just different commands we can run with Hardhat. For example, we can do yarn Hardhat accounts, which will print out a list of fake accounts we can use with Hardhat, similar to the list of fake accounts that we used with Ganache. We can compile our contracts by running yarn Hardhat compile. Very similar to what we did with Ethers.js and Sulk.js. You'll see when we run compile, we get a cache, which is just going to be a quick way to access Solidity files. And we also get an artifacts section. This artifacts folder contains all the information about our compiled code. If we look in here now, we can, for example, look in the build info and see a ton of information about our compiled contract. If we look in contracts, we can see more compiled information. And then if we look in the hardhat/console.sol, we can see more compiled information. So all of our compilation information is going to be in this artifacts folder. And whenever you want to look to see what's going on the lower level when you compile, this artifacts folder is what has everything. There are a number of other Hardhat tasks that we can run as well, but we'll get to them as we go.